Like, where do you think his channel is going to go, or do you still watch him, or where do you think he's going to end up going, or what do you think is going to happen?
Um, to be completely honest, I don't watch him anymore. I see videos like on the YouTube, like your featured page and stuff like that. Like sometimes his videos pop up. I'm no longer a subscriber. That's just based off of my personal interaction with him.
Yeah,
If anybody else wants to subscribe to him, I say go ahead. You know what I mean? And like I said, I don't mean it as a diss or anything like that. I don't care for the man. Obviously, why would I?
yeah,
Where do I see his channel going? Um, I don't know. That is, I think he tries to emulate what Tall Guy does,
mhm.
and it shows heavily because Tall Guy will get something new or post something, and then Mr. Organic just simultaneously posts the same video the same day or the
Yeah,
day
yeah,
after with the same title, and then he puts Tall Guy reviews in the title so that he gets people to look at that video.
yeah,
Um, and like I said, like I said, I'm very transparent, and I don't go back on anything that I said. I said in one of my videos after he made his video about me, but he didn't specifically say my name. He was kind of talking about me in third person. I had made another video like in direct, line with that video saying like, hey, I'm not sitting here talking bad about your character. I'm sitting here talking about how you conduct business, which I have proof on. And I mentioned and I had said, how do you claim that you're this big YouTuber? How do you on the fast track to fame? You were when I had first reached out to you, you were at 300,000 subscribers on YouTube, and then after just so happens after I post my exposure video, you know what I mean, you drop like 40, 50K subscribers, and now months after that you're sitting at barely 210,000 subscribers.
mm,
That's the downward trend. That's where you don't want to be in the YouTube industry. You don't want to lose 100,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? And
yeah,
like I said, I told my subscribers in the video, I said, look at his channel. Look at how many subscribers he has on his YouTube channel, and look how many he claims to have in his Instagram bio. And I showed. The funny thing is, I showed my brother, and I said, how is he still claiming 300 plus thousand subscribers on in Instagram, but on YouTube you barely have 215?
yeah,
You know what I
yeah. I
mean?
agree.
So, like
Yeah,
I said, it's not me talking ish or anything like that. It's just me talking straight facts and the analytics and the business side of it. And if I'm looking at it from an investment standpoint, I probably if I'm an investor, and I didn't have any personal ties with Mr. Organic, and I'm looking at his channel and his numbers, I probably would not invest in that channel,
yeah,
only because I don't see any growth. And you kind of see it in his videos. Like I said, he one thing that he ripped me for was for trying to steal his name and using his name for clout. And I was like, how the hell do you rip me for that? But you do that every single day in one of your
yeah.
videos.
Jesus, he's some fucking idiot for saying that. Yeah. Oh
Yeah,
my
I
god.
was and it's funny because he made a post saying that, and then his subscribers ripped him for saying it, saying like, how do you get on him? He's a smaller YouTuber. Obviously, he's gonna do it, but how do you condemn him for
Yeah,
the same thing that you're doing? 75% of your videos, the titles have tall guy car reviews in it. Anytime that he made a response video to me, who did he have in the car with him? Tall guy car reviews. He
yeah,
can't do anything on his own, so obviously he needs tall guy support because tall guy has a million subscribers basically. You know what I mean? And so I don't know, like I said, and you kind of seen his channel too. He's kind of transitioning his channel to kind of how I wanted my channel to be in the first place. I love cars and I will always do car content, but I've kind of migrated and started doing my own content just because I want to do what makes, what's fun for me and what makes me want to get up every day and do YouTube.
yeah,
Um, and you can kind of see like he tries to posting like shoe videos or jewelry videos, and those videos honestly don't do as well as his car
yeah.
videos.
Of course.
So
Yeah.
to answer your original question, sorry I went off on a tangent.
Verified.
Where do I see Mr. Organic channel going? Like I said, I hope the best for him. I don't want him to lose any sponsorships. I don't care about what he gains or what he loses. I don't want anyone to lose. You know what I mean? It's crazy. As bad as the situation is for me and how a lot of people say like, oh, I would have showed up to him and shot him. I'm like, That's not how I roll. You know what I mean? I feel like karma will work so good, and
Yeah.
I don't have to do anything. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.